name, say my name. No one is around you. Say, baby, I love you. You ain't running game. Say my name, say my name. You acting kinda shady. Ain't calling me baby. Why the sudden change? Say my name, say my name. No one is around you. Say, baby, I love you. You ain't running game. Say my name, say my name. You acting kinda shady. Ain't calling me baby. Better say my name. The other day, I would call, you would say, baby, how's your day? But today, it ain't the same. Every other word is a yeah, okay. Could it be that you are at the crib with another lady? If you took it there, first of all, let me say, I am not the one to sit around and be played. So prove yourself to me. If I'm the girl that you claim, why don't you say the things that you said to me yesterday? I know you say that I am assuming things. Something's going down, that's the way it seems. Shouldn't be the reason why you act strange. Nobody's holding you back from me. 'Cause I know how you usually do. When you're saying everything to me times two. Why can't you just tell the truth? If somebody's there, then tell me who. Say my name, say my name. Say my name is around you. Say, baby, I love you. You ain't running game. Say my name, say my name. You acting kinda shady. Ain't calling me baby. Why the sudden change? Say my name, say my name. No one is around you. Say, baby, I love you. You ain't running game. Say my name, say my name. You acting kinda shady. Ain't calling me baby. Better say my name.
So I just came out of my massage appointment, and this was my first time going to this particular location. I used to get my massages done probably about like 5 minutes up the road from a different company that was Asian owned. And this is my first time going to this massage chain, Massage Envy. I know it's popular, a lot of people have it. But I don't know. Compared to I paid $65 for my massage. At the Asian owned place, I was paying $75, and that was 60 minutes massage plus the $15 upgrade was for me to choose my aromatherapy fragrance that I would like lavender, citrus, like different aromatherapy instead of just the plain oil that they normally put on you. And it was also for hot stone. That was included in the $15 upgrade. So for $75, I was getting 60-minute aromatherapy hot stone. For $65 at Massage Envy, I'm getting a 50-minute massage because even though the appointment times are 60 minutes, the first 10 minutes, they leave 5 minutes in the beginning for you to derobe and undress, and then 5 minutes at the end, so you only get 50-minute massage time. Personally, I just don't feel like the massages are the same quality that I was getting at that Asian business. Like, I used to walk out of there feeling cracked and smacked. So I'm going to try a couple different people at Massage Envy before I decide to cancel the whole thing. So that's just my opening impressions. Like, it was okay, but it was definitely nothing to write home about. Let me know your thoughts down below if you guys get massages regularly. So I knew that today was going to be a rainy day, but I did not expect it to be like severe thunderstorm warning and tornado watch. And I just left home so that I can head to my eyebrow appointment. And my eyebrow place is like 45 minutes away from me. I just did a local Google search of the best in my state, and one of the places that came up in the list was called Eyebrow Land. So that is where I go now, because the other name that was listed was a little closer to my house, but I've gone to her before and her prices were extremely high. She also shared that salon space with a barber, so there was a men in there. And me personally, I do not like to be getting ready or doing any type of glam in front of men. What do y'all think? So I'm going to stick to my plan and still go. Hopefully the weather won't be too bad. Um, I did notice that the GPS time is a little longer than normal, but I've been looking forward to going to get my brows done. So like I said, let's go ahead and go. Hopefully I can get some footage of my in there. If not, I'll come and talk to you after. But here's the before. All right, let's
The
go.
bacon on the side. For your boy. Yeah, yeah, yeah. For your boy. See you with 23, all I can say. Yeah. Man, I don't need no book for the shit. Shorty right there, shit. Shit. Shorty is the shit. Shit. Yeah, shorty is the shit. Shit. Shorty, you the shit. You the shit. Okay.
Thank you. Finished leaving out of the tea shop that was next door to the eyebrow place. Here's how my eyebrows turned out. They're absolutely perfection. They always do a really, really good job. My brows are naturally thin and I have fine hair, so I only come once a month, but I only get it threaded every other month. So I just got a tint done today only. Sometimes if I have a vacation or a special event coming up, then I'll try to come that week of the event, because I just love how natural and full the tint is, and I don't have to worry about drawing in my eyebrows every day like I normally do. So I really, really like it, and it only costs $15. Quickly show you guys what I got from the tea shop. So the first thing is this drink right here. This drink is called Dragon and Rose, and it's a dragon fruit and rose tea. You guys, when I tell you that this is so good, it's so freaking good. Absolutely delicious. And then I normally get the Korean fried chicken, but this time I decided to try the fried shrimp, and I didn't know they were going to look like this, so they look like tempura shrimp. And then you can choose what kind of sauce you want on the side, and I just got the honey soy, which is the same thing that I normally get my wings tossed in. All right, I just wanted to share with you guys that I'm about to eat my food and head back home.